wanna get close and I probably should let you, but I became a ghost, hollow as a feather. Will you pick me up? Are you my angel wings? Or a carrot on a stick, just dang-a-ling? Not competing for love, pick a reason above. I know enough addicts, see I'm flirting with drugs, and I'm hurting for touch. I've been searching for trust. My heart's a full-time job and it's working too much. I'm not ready to stop, you're the heaviest rock. The hard place is the thought that you let me just drop, but I land on my feet like I got 9 lives. All roses turn brown like fried rice, and it's you that I cherish. Someday we all will perish. Till then, let's ride it out like a horse in the carriage. Your smile is a battleship. Don't hit me, I'm a pacifist. A mayday, you're the catalyst for good loving. And I'm turning into a candlestick. I'm burning, I can't handle it. Now who told you I need companionship? You know nothing. I done seen you naked, deeper than the flesh. Balance my expectations, my ego's in check. I'm a conqueror, I will defeat the stress. I'ma lick your navel and then eat the rest. Move your body perfectly like a piece in chess. Always tapped in, don't need to reconnect. I love your back end, in the sheets I caress. No time for acting, I'm about to direct. We be making them scenes like Jason, I make you scream. Heart racing like a dream, slow the pace and raise the steam. I spin you like it's ballet, killer of a bad day. Love the way you sashay, we can move the fast way. Get dirty, all cleaner than Cascade. 6:30 in the morning, grabbing ashtrays. A bit wordy, but I love what you have to say. Am I worthy? I ask, in my past mistake. Your smile is a battle